Bonjour, everyone, and welcome back to our French language podcast. Today, we have an incredibly practical episode for anyone planning a trip, asking for prices and sizes in French stores.
Salut! Yes, if you love shopping, or even if you just need to buy a basic souvenir, knowing how to interact with shop staff is a total game changer.
Just like we discussed in our earlier episodes, remember the absolute golden rule when entering any French boutique. Always say bonjour to the staff as soon as you walk in.
Right. Don't just walk past them silently to look at the racks. A quick bonjour, messieurs, dames, or just bonjour, changes everything.
Let's say you find a beautiful shirt, but you need a different size. Pierre, how do we catch the assistant's attention politely?
You would say, excusez-moi, followed by your question. To ask for a size, the keyword is la taille.
Let's break down the sizes themselves. Small is S, or petite. Medium is M, or moyenne. And large is L, or grande.
But when speaking to a clerk, it's very common to just use the letter sounds in French. Do S, S. Do M, M. Or do L, L.
Let's practice a realistic dialogue where I am looking for a dress in a different size.
Perfect. I will play the helpful shop assistant. Let's begin.
Excusez-moi, monsieur. Est-ce que vous avez cette robe en taille M?
Bonjour. Laissez-moi regarder. Ah, désolé, nous ne l'avons plus en M. Nous l'avons en S.
Ah, c'est dommage. Le S va être trop petit pour moi.
Est-ce que vous voulez essayer un autre modèle similaire?
Oui, pourquoi pas. Merci beaucoup.
And pause there. Let's highlight a great phrase beginner used. Est-ce que vous avez? Which means, do you have?
It's a reliable, all-purpose structure. Est-ce que vous avez cette robe en taille M? Do you have this dress in size M?
What if we were talking about shoes? Shoes don't use taille. They use a completely different word, la pointure.
Oh, that's a classic mistake for beginners. Clothes use taille, shoes use pointure.
So if you want to ask for shoes in a size 40, you would say, vous l'avez en pointure 40, or je fais du 40. I am a size 40.
Let's run through a quick shoe shopping dialogue so listeners can hear it in context.
Bonjour, madame. Je peux vous aider?
Oui, bonjour. Est-ce que je peux essayer ces chaussures en 38, s'il vous plaît?
Bien sûr. Je vais chercher la pointure 38 en réserve. Un instant.
Merci bien.
See how smooth that is? Est-ce que je peux essayer means, can I try on?
Very polite and very natural. Also notice that European shoe sizes are different, so look up your conversion chart before you. Now let's talk money. Sometimes items don't have a visible price tag, or you just want to double check.
There are a few ways to ask, how much is this? The most common, casual one is, ça coûte combien?
Another very natural way, especially when holding up an item, is, c'est combien, s'il vous plaît?
If you want to be a bit more formal, you can ask, quel est le prix de cet article?
Let's look at a practical dialogue where I find an item without a price tag and ask about it.
I'll be the clerk again. Let's do it.
Excusez-moi, je ne trouve pas le prix sur ce sac. C'est combien?
Laissez-moi voir. Alors, ce sac coûte 45 euros.
D'accord, merci. Et est-ce qu'il est en solde?
Oui, il y a une réduction de 20% à la caisse.
Super, merci pour l'information.
Let's break down a couple of very important words used there. En solde and réduction.
En solde means on sale. France has strict official sales periods twice a year called les soldes.
And une réduction de 20% means a 20% discount.
Now, when you decide to buy the item, you head over to the checkout counter, which is called la caisse.
The cashier will usually ask how you want to pay. They might say, vous payez comment? Or par carte ou en espèces?
Par carte means by card, credit or debit, and en espèces means with cash. Paying by card is incredibly common in France, even for tiny amounts.
Let's do a final checkout dialogue to tie everything together for our listeners.
Bonjour, je vais prendre ce sac s'il vous plaît.
Bonjour, très bien, ça fait 45 euros. Vous payez par carte?
Oui, par carte bancaire s'il vous plaît. Je peux utiliser le sans contact?
Oui, bien sûr. Vous pouvez poser votre carte ici. Voilà, merci.
Merci. Est-ce que je peux avoir un ticket de caisse s'il vous plaît?
Le voilà, dans le sac. Bonne journée, au revoir.
Merci, au revoir.
That was flawless. She asked for le sans contact, which means contactless payment, like Apple Pay or tapping your card.
And I asked for le ticket de caisse, which is the receipt. In France today, they often ask if you want it printed or emailed to save paper.
True. So if they ask, vous voulez le ticket? You can just say, oui, s'il vous plaît, or non, merci.
That completes our shopping guide. Practice these phrases and you'll feel completely confident on your next French shopping trip.
Absolutely. Thanks for listening, everyone. Au revoir et bon shopping.